Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about a website that will pay you daily without any experience. All you need to do is just to apply and you get to start working with them on the website. So if you need quick money and you're looking for ways to make this happen, check out this website. So this is ShiftSmart and this is everything you get to see here on the website. You see that it has a lot of featured work opportunities that you can start doing immediately once you sign up. And how it works is that you have to download their app and submit your gig. Then you complete an onboarding process. You choose your shift, build your schedule and start earning. Then you get paid in days and not weeks. So that's basically how it works. To join the ShiftSmart and MO, you have to take control of your work schedule, work as much as you want or as little as you like. You have multiple shifts near you, then you earn quick money and then you get new jobs. So these are basically how things work here on this website. So if you're in places like the United States, you might want to check this out because I think that is where it works most. The chance to earn like $13 to $20 per hour working on this website, so you might want to check it out. The next website we're going to be talking about is customer service company that integrates the use of AI to make customer experience seamless. You get to work on any project you want to work on whenever you want to work, and then you can join the agents on their only marketplace. There are two ways you can actually make money on this website. It's either you work independently or you join the marketplace. Now, if you're joining independently, it means you have to walk through an affiliate link, like you have to join them through an affiliate link, and the person that owns the affiliate link serves as your mentor on the website so that they can teach you how to get started and all of that. You stand a chance to be trained as well to be able to work with them on this website, and all you have to do is just to do some minor tasks like training AI to do some jobs like customer service job and all this kind of stuff. So this website is called Agents Only. So you're going to be trained on this website where you'll be certified, and after the training you can start up doing the jobs that they have on the website, and you can earn $17 to $20 per hour working with them on this website. So you might want to check it out. If you're someone that enjoys writing, doing transcription job and captioning jobs, now this next website is for you because they're looking for people that love these kind of things, and all you have to do for them is make sure you have an internet source and a computer that you can actually use to work with them here on the website. You do things like captioning and transcriptioning on the website, and you stand a chance to earn up to like $2 to $3 per audio hour you transcribe for them on the website. Now the name of the website is CrowdSurf.com. You can check it out and apply, and hopefully it works for you. There's going to be links to all these websites in the description, so where you can easily find them. This website is not available in most places, but currently they made it available in Africa. So if you're in Africa, you might want to check out AttaPoll. What you're going to be doing on this website is to do some surveys, some little tasks, and you get paid instantly. Once you have gotten to the threshold, you can withdraw your money instantly on AttaPoll. But majorly what they do there is surveys. So if you're looking to make money as fast as you can, you might want to check out AttaPoll. But you have to have the app before you get started working on this website. So you just have to know that. One website we're going to talk about is where you stand a chance to do things like trying out new websites and apps that people just developed, and they pay you for doing that. Now they're looking for people who are willing to do the job, provided you have time, you have internet source and computer or any device that can allow you to access the internet. Then you start working with them. Now the website will pay you from $5 up to like $30 to be able to test a new website or app for them on the website. So the name of the website is Trymata.com. So you might want to check out Trymata so that you can get started working with them as a tester. And they send you your payment every weekday morning through PayPal. The next website we're going to be talking about is one that allows you to do things like testing AI for image recognition, speech recognition, taking surveys, and doing other small tasks that you might find on the website. And all you need to do is to have an internet source and a smartphone or a computer. You can actually use smartphone to work with them on the website, but preferably a computer. It's going to make your work much more easier. And before we continue with other websites, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you for your support. Now on this website, you stand a chance to earn some dollars for a simple tasks that you get to do on the website. So, and the minimum threshold for you to withdraw your money is as low as $0.02 on the website. So you might want to check it out. And the name of the website is Toloka. It's available in Africa and in America. Most places around the world, this website is available. So you might want to check it out and apply to them, and hopefully it works for you. So the next website we're going to be talking about is one that allows you to do things like survey and other micro tasks like watching videos and all those simple tasks that you might find. And they pay you immediately once you have gotten to the threshold. On that website, once you have signed up, you're going to be receiving some points as you've signed up. And once you have finished filling your profile and all those stuff, they give you another point for doing that. And then you can do some micro tasks on the website, and then you get to a threshold of 1,000 points, then you'll be able to withdraw $1. So you have lots of tasks that you can do on this website, and then you start earning your money. And once you have gotten to the threshold, you can withdraw your money instantly via PayPal or any other means that is available there on the website. So the name of the website is GrabPoints.com. You might want to check it out. So the next website we're going to talk about is one that allows you to do things like delivery jobs, like you get paid instantly once you have delivered whatever that is given to you to deliver. So it's more like you are an independent delivery man. To do this job, you must have a driving license and a car to be able to do this job, and mostly it's available for people in the United States. So you might want to check out the website. The name of the website is DoorDash. Once you have registered and everything is complete, you can start delivering things to people, and once you're done, they are paying you instantly. So that is basically how this website works. Now, if you're in the United States, you might want to check it out. And the next website we're going to be talking about is one that allows you to do transcription job. I have mentioned this website severally in my videos because they allow you to do transcription job, and you can earn up to like $5 to $20 per audio hour you transcribe on the website. And if you're looking for ways to transcribe without writing a word or without typing a word, I have a video that you can actually check out, and hopefully that works for you. Now, this website is easy to join, and you don't need to do much signing up, and you stand a chance of doing transcription job, captioning job, and all those kind of things on the website. The name of the website is Scribie. You might want to check it out. And the next website is one that will allow you to do laundry. So if you're someone that loves doing laundry and you have a washing machine, you can put it to good use by monetizing it. Sign up to this website. They will allow you to go and do laundry for people. You pack their clothes, you wash them, you deliver, they pay you. So if you're someone that is interested in doing laundry and you have all it takes to be able to do, provided you are legally allowed to work, especially in the United States, you might want to check out this website. The name of the website is Poplin. This is where you get to do laundry jobs as an independent contractor, and then you get paid doing it. I hope these websites help you. So if you are interested in any one, kindly let me know the one you might be applying to in the comment section. And please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel as we bring you more videos about how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.